Imagine this scenario. You finally reach a salary of $100,000, but your bank account still feels like you only make $40,000. Your paycheck arrives, but after taxes take a significant chunk, rent claims another large portion, and debt payments take their share, you're left with only a small amount. Then, whatever is left gets quickly consumed by food, Amazon orders, and weekend activities. This is how high earners can still feel financially strained. In this video or audio presentation, I am going to walk you through 3 simple automation rules that can help you retain more of your earnings, invest purposefully, and shield yourself from lifestyle creep. There are no tricks or promises of getting rich quickly, just a clear system. Because if you don't invest with intention, your money will disappear without you even noticing. Let's break it down. First, let's look at what a $100,000 salary really amounts to in real life. Here is a straightforward example. If you make $100,000 a year in the United States and you're single, your take-home pay after federal and state taxes, Social Security, and Medicare might range from $65,000 to $72,000 annually, depending on your location and benefits. For simplicity, let's assume your take-home pay is $70,000 per year, which translates to about $5,833 per month. Now, let's see how quickly that money can be spent each month. Rent may cost between $1,800 and $2,500. Your car payment and insurance might range from $500 to $800. Groceries could cost between $400 and $700. Utilities, along with your phone and internet bills, may amount to between $300 and $500. Student loans or credit card payments typically range from $300 to $700. Dining out, coffee, weekend outings, and miscellaneous Amazon purchases might add up to between $400 and $800. As you can see, those expenses can add up quickly. Suddenly, that $5,833 monthly income can dwindle to just a few $100s left over. In some months, you might even spend more than you earn. Many people earning $100,000 often say, "I thought this salary would make me feel rich, but it doesn't." The key idea here is straightforward. If you do not decide how to manage your money from day one, your lifestyle will dictate your financial choices for you. Instead of the approach of spend first and save what's left, we will flip that to invest first and spend what's left. Now, let's discuss automation rule number 1. Pay your future self first. This rule is simple. Before you pay any bills, prioritize paying your future self automatically. This should happen every single paycheck, not just if there's money left or when life calms down. Step 1. Choose your wealth percentage. Select a realistic starting point for your wealth-building efforts. For many individuals earning around $100,000, a good starting target is to allocate between 15% and 25% of your take-home pay toward building wealth. Wealth building includes 3 key components: contributions to retirement accounts, such as a workplace 401k or an individual retirement account; investments outside of retirement, like a regular brokerage account; extra payments toward high-interest debt, such as credit cards. Let's return to our example. If your take-home pay is approximately $5,833 per month, and you choose to allocate 20% for wealth building, that amounts to around $1,166 each month. This $1,166 is not extra money. It is not something to be considered leftover. It is assigned from the moment your paycheck is deposited into your account. Step 2. Automate the transfers. Now let's discuss how this works in real life. Set up contributions to your 401k with your employer, ensuring that money is deducted from your paycheck before you even see it. The day after payday, set up automatic transfers from your main checking account to your other accounts. First, allocate some money to a retirement account, such as a Roth IRA if you qualify. Then, transfer funds to a brokerage account for long-term investing. If you have high-interest debt, set up an automatic extra payment toward that debt each month. The goal is for you to never see this money as spending money. It should automatically transfer your main account funds to your future self. Think of it in this simple order. Your paycheck comes in. First, money flows into retirement. Second, money flows into investments. Third, money flows toward debt repayment. To effectively manage your finances and prevent lifestyle creep, follow these 2 automation rules. Rule number 1, invest first and spend what is left. Rule number 2, use a 3-bucket system to manage your lifestyle. Bills account, deposit funds for fixed costs such as rent, utilities, and insurance. Spending account, allocate a set amount for daily expenses and fun activities. Savings account, save for short-term goals and unexpected expenses. How to use them. Step 1. Calculate your fixed monthly bills and automate transfers to the bills account. Step 2. Decide on a fun money number and set up automatic transfers to the spending account. Use this account exclusively for everyday purchases and avoid borrowing from other accounts. This structured approach helps you manage your finances more effectively and combat lifestyle creep. The next step is to build your sinking funds. A sinking fund is simply money you set aside gradually for upcoming expenses. Examples include travel, car repairs, holiday gifts, moving costs, or a new laptop or phone. Consider transferring $300 to $500 each month into your savings or sinking funds account through automatic transfers. Now, take a moment to reflect on what you have established. You invest first, following rule number 1. You fund your bills account to cover your fixed costs. You allocate a controlled amount for enjoyment through your spending account. You accumulate short-term savings in your sinking funds account. By doing this, you are capping your lifestyle and managing your finances without needing a complicated budgeting app. You simply organize your money into 3 automatic categories. Let's pause for a quick recap and preview what's coming next. So far, you earn $100,000 a year. You have begun to prioritize your future by setting aside 15 to 25% of your take-home pay for wealth building. You have established a straightforward 3-bucket system to manage your finances, including a bills account, a spending account, and a savings account. Many people stop here and wonder, what do I actually invest in? How does this money grow? This is where the most valuable step comes in, creating a simple, repeatable investing system that doesn't require you to monitor the stock market daily. Now, let's move on to automation rule number 3. Use a simple, boring investing system. You don't need to pick trendy stocks. You don't have to trade every week. What you need is a straightforward plan that aligns with your time horizon and risk tolerance. A common approach is to invest in index funds or exchange-traded funds that track a broad market. An index fund is a collection of many companies. Rather than betting on a single stock, you spread your risk across hundreds or even thousands of companies. People often invest in a combination of a United States stock market index fund, an international stock index fund, and sometimes a bond fund for stability. You can hold these funds in your 401k, individual retirement account, or regular brokerage account. Let's revisit the example where you invest $1,166 per month as your wealth-building money. You might decide to allocate $700 to a retirement account invested in a broad stock market index fund. You could send $300 to a brokerage account invested in a mix of stock index funds and some bonds. Additionally, you might use $166 as an extra payment toward high-interest debt until it is paid off. After that, you can roll that extra money into your investments. Over many years, consistent contributions like this can accumulate into hundreds of thousands of dollars. The exact outcome depends on market returns, the length of your investment, and the choices you make. While there are no guarantees and results will vary, the key point is this: you are systematically acquiring assets, not just buying more material goods. Automation in your investing matters more than striving for perfection. Can you research specific funds to choose? Yes. Can you fine-tune the percentages you invest? Yes. However, the most significant difference between a broke high earner and a wealthy high earner is not the perfect fund choice. It's the consistency of their investments every single month, over many years. These 3 rules are designed to facilitate that consistency. Let's explore how to boost your wealth with pay raises and bonuses without financial strain. When your income increases, it's a valuable opportunity. Many people tend to upgrade their lifestyle with raises, only to find themselves feeling just as stressed later. Instead, consider a simple rule: split your raise. For example, If you earn an extra $500 per month, allocate 50 to 75% to wealth building, such as retirement accounts or investments, and the remaining 25 to 50% to lifestyle enhancements. This way, you improve your life while significantly growing your future net worth. The same principle applies to bonuses and tax refunds. Set aside 70% for wealth and 30% for enjoyment. Beware of traps that can drain your finances. High-interest debt. Pay down credit card debt aggressively, and once it's gone, redirect those payments into investments. Subscription creep. Small monthly charges add up. Regularly review and cancel unused subscriptions, channeling that money into savings. Lifestyle comparison. Resist the urge to keep up with other high earners. Focus on building quiet wealth and enjoying the freedom it brings, rather than accumulating nice possessions. Aim for financial stability that allows you to make choices without stress. The content here is for educational purposes and not personal financial advice. Your financial situation is unique. It's essential to do your own research and consult a qualified professional for personalized guidance. Now, let's do a final recap of how to build wealth on a $100,000 salary. You need a system that works even when life gets busy, not a secret hack. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Allocate 15 to 25% of your take-home pay towards wealth building. Automate contributions to retirement accounts and investments right after payday. Rule 2. Cap your lifestyle with a 3-bucket system. Create accounts for bills, daily spending, and savings. Set up automatic transfers to control lifestyle inflation. Rule 3. Use a simple investing system. Focus on broad index funds, contribute monthly, and let compounding work for you. Use raises and bonuses to enhance wealth rather than to fuel lifestyle inflation. Avoid common traps like high-interest debt and comparing yourself to others. This approach can turn your perception of a $100,000 salary from struggling financially to building a secure future. If you want to dive deeper, check out my next video, 10 Smart Money Moves That Are Making You Poor. For more straightforward money content, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment. I am done being a broke high earner. Thanks for listening. Remember, it's about having a system that works, even on lazy days.